Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a natural way to reduce belly fat, boost digestion, and feel full for longer, then stay tuned because today we're talking about a simple but powerful drink, Chia Seed Water. Can this humble superfood actually help shrink your belly fat? Let's dive deep into the science and benefits behind it. Section 1. What is Chia Seed Water? Chia seeds are tiny black seeds from the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Central America. When you soak them in water for about 20 to 30 minutes, they form a gel-like coating. This is what we call chia seed water. It's super hydrating, loaded with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. But what makes it a belly fat burner? Let's find out. Section 2. How it helps reduce belly. Number 1. High in fiber, keeps you full longer. Chia seeds are extremely high in soluble fiber. When you drink chia seed water, it expands in your stomach, making you feel full for hours. That means you're less likely to snack or overeat during the day, which naturally leads to fat loss over time. Number 2. Boosts metabolism. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3s and protein, which help improve your metabolism. A faster metabolism means your body burns more calories, even while resting. Number 3. Reduces inflammation. Belly fat is often linked with inflammation in the body. Chia seeds have powerful antioxidants like quercetin, which help fight inflammation, reduce bloating, and support gut health. Number 4. Regulates blood sugar. Fluctuating blood sugar levels can lead to weight gain, especially around the belly. Chia seeds slow down the digestion of carbs and the absorption of sugar, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Number 5. Natural detoxifier. Chia seed water promotes digestion and helps remove toxins from your body. A clean gut means a better functioning digestive system, which helps in weight control. Section 3. How to make chia seed water. Here's how you can make your own chia seed water at home in just 2 minutes. Ingredients. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. 1 glass, 250 milliliters, of water. Optional, add lemon juice or a slice of lemon for taste. Instructions. Mix the chia seeds into the water. Stir well. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel-like texture. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning, or 30 minutes before meals. Section 4. Best time to drink it. The best time to drink chia seed water is first thing in the morning, 30 minutes before meals, or any time you're craving unhealthy snacks. This timing helps keep you full, boosts your metabolism, and supports fat burning throughout the day. Section 5. Precautions. While chia seeds are safe for most people, here are a few things to keep in mind. Always soak chia seeds before consuming. Dry seeds can absorb water in your throat or stomach and cause discomfort. Start small if you're new to fiber. 1 tablespoon per day is enough to begin with. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to avoid constipation. So, can chia seed water help reduce belly fat? Yes, but it's not a magic potion. When combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, it can support your fat loss journey in a powerful, natural way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are also on a fat loss journey. And tell us in the comments, have you tried chia seed water yet? Let us know your experience.